First bit of the day. Bloody hell, fire and all that sink. I think that one genuinely will probably get sold because I think it's off on them rows. What's it, kitchens that do a lot of money now made out of metal. And the next one, honestly, if I had one sink, oh, there's a boiler and a skybox. Ain't not too bad on this one. Literally fucking next door. It's funny, isn't it? You go all this. Oh, look at that. Beautiful job. That was nice of him. Fume hood. In she goes. Radiators in. The other half's got the boiler, which I assume is a complete unit. So, cover lid, cooker top. There we go. It's stainless. Nope. 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 They are, aren't they? They'll alley them. Stainless sink. Definitely not a stainless sink. And a cord. Some nice bit of copper pipe on there. And go leave it to suffer because we can do. I'm not going to say what that sounds like. I'm saying bloody nout. And there we go. That'll fall over nice in a minute and make us both sit there and go, what the hell was that? That's what we usually do. Now we've got a hoover. A hoover, but I'll just set the motors out of it. Table and chairs. Can tell it's springtime, can't we? All tables and chairs are coming out now. Fucking hell, what did we massacre? So anybody wants to buy new artwork, that is called Radiator Sludjo. That is by me and Laura. We'll sell you the floor of the bed of the van. I mean, Christ almighty, people pay a fortune for a fucking banana stuck to a piece of tape. So, yeah, I think, you know, it's got to be worth, I don't know. Oh, I think that's probably why that was thrown out for scrap, to be honest. 50 quid on it. That's, you know, yeah, there we go, look at that. If you weren't pissed when you started, you'd feel like you were as soon as you sat down. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Get me picture. There we go, a bit more. Hey, oh, some nice lump of 1 and 2. Old cast bag. Hey, now look at that. Not quite bloody rose gold, but you know, near as darn it. I think she's making a balls of this. There we go. Oh yeah, dropped that one bit. There we go. Last couple of bits. Oh, the pipe bender. And the pipe bender. Which will probably actually get sold because the other one sold rapidly. Good old lump of 1 and 2. A radiator. Oh, the coats fell off. That's another bit. That's free tonight. 3 radiators in one night. And a bed frame. A white bed frame. Through the side door she goes. Not much weight, I'll leave up, we add up in the end. We add up in the end, to be fair. Not a bad little call on here, actually. I wasn't expecting this much of it. Done. On to the next one. Well, they've become quite elusive recently. the favourites though, a microwave. We'll have a cord. Yeah, that was me throwing my phone with it. There we go. Well, there we go for night. Not masses at all, but we'll take it. Some alright bits actually, considering there isn't much. Some alright bits, a few bits you didn't see, 'cause I didn't record all of them up there somewhere, but yeah, there we go. Over and done with. Went out for tea, which is pretty much why we were out. Had a kebab, paid for by scrap.